I am utilizing the Bit Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bit Integration Dashboard, Create Integrations. Search and select a trigger Gutena Forms. Now, click on the Fetch button. Go to your contact form site and fill it out to retrieve the Gutena forms. Go back to your integration site. Here you can see that it has been successfully fetched. Set action. Search and select MailPoet. Connect. Next. Choose Actions. Select a list. Select tags. Select subscription status. Map the respective fields. You can update contact by checking the box. Here are advanced features in conditional logic. If you want, you can use it for your own requirement. Click on Next. Finish and save it. Let's submit a form. Click on Send Message. Form submitted successfully. Now go to MailPoet Contact Dashboard. And you can see the data came successfully in the MailPoet. Thanks for watching.